Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage, and let's talk safety, and let's talk about when you get stranded on the road because you might have a low pressure tire. This is a portable tire inflator that we got for this little Kia right here. Now, we've used multiple ones of these in the past. We have one for every vehicle because they're great ways to keep yourself safe. If you have a low pressure tire, you don't need to go try and find a gas station where air inflators are not as common anymore, and you don't have to ask anybody for help. This one has 5 different modes, and it allows you to go up to 180 psi in custom mode. Beyond custom, there's auto, which gets it about to 50 psi, bicycle, motorcycle, and ball. Right off the back, one of the things I do love about this is the large LCD screen. You can see it right here on the right, and there's 2 different readings. The top reading is your current tire pressure when it's hooked up, and the bottom is what you have it set to. And then over here on the top left, what you're going to see is the percentage of battery charge this has left. And when talking about charging, you can charge this 2 different ways. You can use a DC plug inside your car, or you can charge it through USB-C. And beyond the 5 custom modes, there's 2 additional features to this. One, it's a power bank. So if your phone goes dead, you can actually charge your phone off this. Second, it's a flashlight. But I think there's an 8th mode that nobody talks about. That's this. It has a red flashing light, slow or fast, and you can use this as a safety mode. So if you're working on your car, changing a tire or something like that, you can put this behind your vehicle to warn other drivers as they're coming up. And while this thing is loud, it definitely is a workhorse and can fill your tire up pretty quickly. But what you really want to know is would I recommend this or would I buy it again? And to be honest with you, I absolutely would buy this again. In fact, this is one product I would never leave my house without. Portable tire inflator is an absolute must, especially when a lot of cars nowadays don't come with spare tires. This can get you out of a pinch, get you quickly to a gas station or to a tire shop, and allow you to get your tire fixed. The fact that it has 5 different modes, can go up to 180 psi, comes with a flashlight, and also acts as a power bank are all big pluses. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.